Welcome to English Speaking Tree, where English meets real life and learning becomes a story. Today's episode is stylish, spicy, and a little bit naughty because our girls are going shopping. This story is called Shopping Secrets Girls' Day Out. Let's begin. Scene 1 at the clothing boutique. It's a bright Saturday morning. Three best friends, Anjali, Riya, and Simran, are out for their favorite sport, shopping. Anjali: Girls, we're not just shopping today, we're hunting for fashion and fun. Riya: Let's pretend we don't know Hindi. Maybe we'll get a tourist discount. Simran: Or maybe free coffee. They giggle and enter a trendy boutique. Shopkeeper: Good morning, madam. Looking for anything special? Anjali: We're just looking, but if you give us a great deal, we might just buy the whole shop. The shopkeeper laughs and begins showing new arrivals. Riya: Do you have this dress in black? Shopkeeper: Yes, ma'am. Black is the new bold, right? Simran: Told you he was flirt-friendly. Anjali tries on a red dress and twirls like a diva. Simran: You look like a fashion blogger on fire. Riya: Yeah, if fire also had a credit card limit. They all laugh. Anjali: Bhaiya, if I tag your shop on Instagram, will I get a discount? Shopkeeper: For Instagram, madam, special price. They exit the boutique with two shopping bags and endless laughter. Practice material. Market English. Clothing boutique. Repeat these sentences after me. How much is this? Can I try this on? Do you have a discount? It's a bit loose. I like this, but show me something cheaper. Okay, pack this for me. Show me something in black. What is this fabric? Is this the final price? Do you have this in another size? Practice these lines with a friend or say them aloud while shopping. Scene 2 at the jewelry stall. Next stop, jewelry. Bangles, earrings, sparkles everywhere. Simran: Let's act like we're buying for someone's wedding. Shopkeeper: Earrings? Just 100 rupees. Your beauty will double, madam. Riya: My beauty is already dangerous. Don't make me lethal. Anjali: We're just looking, not looking to get married. They bargain, flirt, and laugh again. Simran: Do you think this color suits me? Riya: Yes, especially when your phone screen is locked with a boy's face. Anjali: Stop gossiping and buy it before he changes his mind. More laughter. They buy matching earrings and continue their mischief-filled shopping spree. Practice material. Spoken English. Jewelry stall. Is this real or artificial? Will it last? Show me something new. This looks beautiful. Please reduce the price a bit. If I buy two, will you lower the price? Is this your final offer? I'm buying this for a friend. Does it come with a box? I'll take this one. Pack it nicely. Use these phrases the next time you're at a jewelry shop. Scene 3 at the chart stall. After all the walking, they head to the food corner. Anjali: Let's eat first. Shopping with an empty stomach is illegal. Chaatwala: Madam, golgappa, aloo tikki, or dahi bhalla? Riya: One of each. Extra spicy. We like drama. Simran: Just like her love life. They burst out laughing again. As they eat, Riya takes a selfie and says, Riya: Let's post this and caption it, broke but beautiful. Anjali: Next weekend, same squad? Simran: Always. But this time, we shop with a budget. Riya: Budget? What's that? Laughter continues. Practice material. Food stall English. Do you have a menu? Give me something spicy. How much is the bill? Do you accept online payment? That was delicious. Can I have some extra chutney? Is the food fresh? Pack this for takeaway. I'll eat it here. Add less spice, please. These lines are helpful when you eat at food stalls or local cafes. Ending. So, my dear friends, want to talk in English like Anjali, Riya, and Simran? Then practice these real life sentences, speak with confidence, and enjoy the journey. Because learning English isn't only about books, it's about fun, friendship, and freedom. This is Jeevan Verma, and you're listening to English Speaking Tree. If you loved this episode, smile, speak, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one, where English becomes your everyday language.